Here is how to make money online with Google. Open a new tab and search Google Trend and click on the first link here. Now it's going to bring you on this interface. This is my country here. We need to select based on the top 5 English speaking countries, like for example USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. So scroll down until you find the United States, click there, and the next step to do is to come and click here where it's trending now. And the next step here is to come and click here by relevance and come and click search volume here. So now what we have done is we have changed it on how important it is to how many people are searching it every month. So the next step, we are going to come and click there. Next step is to scroll down here and come here where there is in the news here. Then you have to scroll down and find any article on these three here. According to me, I'm going to use this one. Click on that article, and the next step here is to copy this URL. Right click, copy, and the next step is to come here on ChatGPT. You are going to use this prompt here. Write me an article based on this URL. Then right click, paste your article there and click enter. So now ChatGPT has given us an article that we can use. So the next step which we are going to do is to change this article into an audio. We are going to use two softwares to change an article into an audio. One is a paid version and one is a free version. The next step which we are going to do is to head over on 11 Lab, and I will leave the link in the description below. If you don't have an account, you can create one using my link in the description. If you have an account, then it's okay. Once you have finished to create an account, it will bring you on this interface here. Then you have to find this, you have to click here where it says text to speech. Click there. And the next thing what you are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT from the beginning here. We are not going to copy all of this because we don't need something like this here, because this thing here is where ChatGPT has got to write this article here. So we are going to highlight this, right click, copy, go back to 11 Lab. You can paste your text there. After pasting your text there, then come and click here where it says generate a speech. Click there. Eleven Lab is going to generate you a speech. The next thing to do is you can come on here and select any voice that you want. The next step here is to come and click here where it says download, and it will be downloading into your browser. You are going to do like that, still on the same, still come and highlight this one, still copy, right click and copy, and still come back to 11 Lab, then delete this one, right click, paste that new article, and then click generate. Click here download so that it can be saved to your browser like this here. And the next step is to use the free version here. We are going to use ChatGPT to generate a voice. It's free. As you can see, if you click here, ChatGPT will start saying what he has wrote. As you can see here, but the next step here, even you can come, if you don't like the voice, you can come here, you can come here and click here on the settings. Then you can come here and select any language that you feel you want here. You can come here where it's speech, and you can come here and select any voiceover that you feel like you want to use. Let me select this, click there, then go back, remove it, then come here, click the audio to play. So the next step here is to open a new tab, add this to your add this to your Google Chrome and it will start working. Let me show you here. For example, now let me go to ChatGPT. Let me start ChatGPT here. Now ChatGPT is talking. The next step here, I will come here and click on that Google Chrome and click here to play. Now it's listening what ChatGPT is saying. Let's give it a couple of minutes here, and it's in progress. It has finished to record your audio. Then the next step is to come and click here save. Let me show here example what you have done here. Then if you click there, let me stop this one here. I don't know. As you can see here, now we have got an audio for free without spending any dime. The next step which you are going to do here is to go back to Google Trend and click there. So highlight the heading, right click, copy it, and then go to YouTube here. So now once we are on YouTube here, come and paste that URL there, then click search. So what we are going to do here is we are going to download a video that is based on our heading here. So the next step here is to click on that video there. I'm not going to play this audio because of the copyright here. So the next step is here to come and click here on the share button, then copy that URL, and the next step here is to come and search YouTube video downloader, and the next step here is to click on this second link here. We are going to paste our YouTube URL here, and the next step here is you have to click here to download your video. So your video will be downloaded into your browser, and once you have finished to download that video, the next step here, open a new tab and still paste the same headline that we have used to YouTube there, then click enter, and the next thing here is to come here where there is images. As you can see here, there are a lot of images here. So what we are going to do here is download like 10 to 20 images here, and we are going to combine those images and that video we downloaded, audio that we created, we combine it together to get a one single video. So I will leave that work for you. You can use any software, you can use any edit software, because I don't want to make this video too long. So the next step here is to create a YouTube channel, and you are going to be posting those videos, those videos you have created every single day. So you are going to use the method which I have shown you in this video, and once you have started getting views on YouTube, so YouTube will start putting ads on that video, and that's the way how you can make a lot of money every single day. Make sure to like this video, it means a lot to me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and another thing here is to watch the next video which I'm going to put here.